Galea, Yukakolya Beniba Punta Isla, Bakutoto Resort Beniba Cebu. Good noon to everyone. Welcome to Punta Isla, the #1 resort here in Lake Cebu. We are pure-blooded Taponi. We are here to present the different musical instruments and the dance of Tiponi tribe. This is how can entertain you and welcome all of you. We welcome you all. Welcome to Punta Isla, Lake The first instrument is called kumbing or a bamboo jaw harp. Usually played during eclipse time to call the moonlight back. The spirit of kumbing deep under the earth and deep into the sky. The sound of kumbing.
Ay po, welcome po sa Lake Cebu. Si Kagawad. Si Donya Elma. Jin. Hello.
The next instrument is called
Dito kami sa Lake Cebu.
Tiboli plays a lot.
Yung Tiboli.
Especially when you are far from your loved ones.
Thailand siya.
Hello. Dito ako sa Tiboli Falls. Ganda. Taas. Yan. Ang view. Ang daming tourist. Yan.
Seven Falls!